Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flame eyes effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the photo or the video that you want to edit. In here, I add a photo, so after this, you can click on the effect at the bottom. This one, click on it. And after this, you can click on the body effect. And then at the menu, you can click on the hardware. And then at the hardware, you can click on the flame eyes effect. This one. So you just click on it. And after this, you can click check icon, this one. And now you can adjust the effect. So you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the color. Like this. For the range. For the speed, for the intensity, and after this is for the filter. And now you can click check icon at the bottom. And finish. So that's how to add flame eyes effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.